All right, what's up, guys? We have a possible Asia session turn possibly about to happen right here, a bearish one. So here is the 4 p.m. closing price. It's right there. We came through, we kind of bounced off of it, and now it's kind of came back to the resistance here and is rolling over quite nicely. I think it's going to displace through here for a measured move. So I'm just going to take this right here. So measured move is just measuring the previous leg of price action and looking for it to happen again. So I think it's going to put us down here into balanced area that I'm interested to see price going to below this low right here. So price came down, it dropped down, it found support at the top of this here. So I want to be aware of these dojis right here. And then I want to put a line on the half back of the dojis, because dojis are buying and selling in the same given area. They often act as support. All right, so we have our area of possible support right here. Or it could be possibly a bullish Asia session turn as well. We have bounced off the 4 p.m. closing price and are now kind of like showing some support here. I still think it goes down, but I'm just like waiting to. So one of the rules used to be it needed to be before 8 p.m., I think. But over the last 6, 7 months after tracking it and figuring out, I see it happen a lot later than it used to. I'm not sure if that's due to daylight save times, daylight savings or what, but it's almost midnight and it's just now happening here. One way you can check if this pullback's going to hold or not is if you bring up a fib and you see like, where's the halfway point of it? Did it hold the halfway point? Yeah, it did. So I'm going to exit this. And I'll wait to see if it's actually going to play out or not. I'm going to flip long here, actually. I think it's going down. It was just popping up there, kind of like a fake out there. So here she goes. You guys are about to watch history here. Jared King in the making. As I call the price, tick by tick, day by day, week by week, month by month. The one setup that always works. The profit. That's what my name should be, the trading profit. Because I call shit, you know? The trading profit. I like it. The prophecy by Jared King. Down. All right, so that's how it's done right there, son. Get it. So if you don't know, you should probably ask somebody about me. Oh, fuck. I just accidentally hit the all out button. God damn it. So I was just in here doing this day in and day out, guys. Just trading. This isn't replay. Live, risk on, funded account. No demo. Always on risk. Because I don't play. Because I do this shit for real. That's the difference between me and every other mentor out there. They don't do it for real. I do it for real. I don't sell courses. They do. They want that money from you. I do not. I just want you to show up so you can show out, because I'm about getting that money. Because I'm about making that money. Let's go. Asia session turn on fleet. Sorry, that was just my money printer going. It's picking up space. All right, cool. Let's go to top step. Bitcoin here. All right, let's take one off here in my top step. 50 CMEs are. All right, so the money printer went burr. It went burr. Yes, sir. So right now we have an issue though. For it to continue downward, ES is going to have to follow suit here. Right now we have ES not taking out the low. NQ did. This is usually a sign of a short-term reversal. I want to see how does it react to the 4 p.m. closing price here. Does it touch it and roll? Does it touch it and go? I like how it just went through it like butter there. Beautiful. Like it wasn't even there. That's good to the downside. On this move up, there was no displacement upwards. Displacement's always been down tonight. Down. Pretty much if you look at price here, where's all the displacement been? To the downside. So beautiful touch there and push away. That's what we want to see. Now, what is this motherfucker going to do? Beautiful. So I'm going to add one more into this. That one I took off, I'm going to add it back here. As ES is showing some weakness. That's what I was looking for here. Here she goes. Oh, top step X. Let's get those back in there too. Let's go, guys. Here we go. Measure move.
Let's get it.
You're the about. Woo! Ain't no one else doing it like this, guys. Fuck, man. Unbelievable that I didn't take profit there as it touched into that area. We're still good though. Anytime it does that, don't get scared. It will go back there. Just give it a second. It always goes back there. Because that was too fast. No one really had a chance there to buy. And it overshot it. If it had to the tick tip, then I'd be a little bit like worried. But because it didn't, I'm not really worried. I understand what's going on here. So would $1,000 make a difference in your day? Just to be straight up with you. Would $1,000 help you in your life? It would. Well, well, that's cool, but kind of hard to teach you if you're not around. But let them sleep on me. I don't give a fuck. You may get like a curl up here, and it may like chop here, and then kind of like make that move. You had your push through here, came back, hit the trend line, rejected, and then push. So it told you it was gonna happen. And then had your displacement through it, check. It's actually this is where it triggered. Your displacement through it, return back above it, enter short, has no displacement formed here, enter short, boom. So that would have been about a 3.5 hour trade for 33 points. If you just took this one, I think it's still going lower, but that's a great trade right there. Very low risk. You guys see that? How low my risk is on a trade like this? 8 to 6 points. People always ask me how I do that. Well, I drop down and I don't use a monetary value for my stop. It's always based on the structure. So I haven't moved my stop because I'm mitigating my risk via scaling in and out. All right, we are about to get the second push down here. Beautiful half back to balance touch there. And rejecting promptly. So this will be a huge trade here. This should be about a 5 hour trade for about 30 points each contract. So about I'll take one off as it breaks this low here. So you can say 2 contracts will go like the full 30, maybe 25. So we'll go 15, 25, 30. So around 75 points total trade should produce. I wouldn't doubt it if we get one more like little push up here, up there like this. Kind of tap into this area here. There's your displacement right there. Yeah, your 4 p.m. closing price, your displacement. And then here she goes, motherfuckers. What? What? I'm gonna take one off right there as planned. As planned. I'll give them beforehand. This is not replay. This is live market. You guys are learning in a live market environment. I'm showing you what I'm thinking when I'm doing it, why I believe so ahead of time. So the thing important there is, can you do, because you have to know it ahead of time or else you can't trade it, right? I think that is the difference here. So is what I'm teaching precision? Yes. Am I teaching it to you in a live environment? Like I'm recording it in a live environment? Yeah. Is it after the fact? No, it's not. So it validates what I'm saying is for real, because if it wasn't for real, I wouldn't be able to catch this, right? I wouldn't be in the trade right now. So the fact that I'm in the trade right now tells you that I know what I'm doing. I know how to do it. I'm able to do it at a high level, at a professional level, right? A money making level. I'm up about $1,000 in my funded account here. But luckily, it's a take profit account, so I don't have to worry about profits. They don't punish you for making money, they reward you. That's what it should be in a funded account. It should be I make money and I get fucking paid. I can make as much money as I want, when I want, how I want. There's no one telling me like, oh, I can't average in. I've added onto this trade sometimes when it was red, sometimes when it was going with me fearlessly, because I know that I trust my partners, take profit trader, that they're not going to come in and be like, hey, dude, can't do that. You know, I'm not going to pay you. Let's take one off on take profit trader here. Not take profit, top step. Because it could still pop up, right? Like this still is a possibility here. Especially it's kind of coming into this area a little slow here. I don't really like that. But I still think we should get a measured move. One off here any second as it breaks through this low, because that's what it is, son. Let's go, guys. I've made over $1,200 in this video. Just in this video. There, I told you. Boom. Flash crash. What's up? Nah, 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 nah. We got it like that, guys. Live market, no replay. Calling this every tick of the way. From the pullbacks, to the add-ons, to the re-ads. Let's go. So we taking this low here. We're gonna double bottom. Oh shit, boy. God damn, I'm good at this. Woo! Look at that. Look at that. Woo! Nah, 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 nah. I don't talk about it. I am about it. Period. That's the difference between me and whoever else is out there. They talk about it, they say they do it, but they don't do it. I not only talk about it, I do it, right? I talk the talk and I back it up because I walk the fucking walk. Yes, sir. Let's see my P&L here. Looking pretty fat. About $1,200 in this account here. Switch accounts though. $1,700. This one's actually at the max gain for the day. Go ahead and take that off. $1,000. $800. A lot of money coming around here, huh, boy? Huh, boy? $1,200, boy. Making more in a night than I used to make all fucking month. Let's go. We're not talking about it, we're about it. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. Show them what's up. Show them. Show them what it is. Show them right now. Show them how I do it. I don't play, guys. I'm about making money. You don't hear me joking around. You don't hear me fucking around. Straight serious. If you want to laugh, go fucking watch someone else. Go watch a joker. Yeah, I'll be a little silly once in a while, but I'm about making money because my family, my roof is on the line. Everything is on the line for me when I'm trading. Yeah, I'd be a lot fucking happier and joking around if I was selling fucking courses and making $1 million a month. Yeah, probably be a lot chiller. I wouldn't have to trade. But because I'm not doing that to you guys yet, I'm not. I have to trade for a living. These other guys, the courses you're buying from is making up for their lack of trading skill. I have to be good at trading. I have no other option. All right, so one time framing has ended here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it right there, and then that's it, guys. I think it still does go down here. But I'm gonna cut the video here. I'll probably trade it on my own. But I think you guys saw what was up here. Multiple entries, multiple add-ons. About $1,200 in profit on this account. We have the other account $1,700. So it's about $7,600 total made. Not too bad. If you're interested in getting funded and would like to be able to make, $7,000 in a night and not have to risk your own capital, then you're going to want to check out my website, verifiedtraderfunding.com. I have the best discounts in the game with funding companies that you can trust. So what is a funding company? A funding company is a company that will let you trade in an environment where you're trading their capital. So what I mean by environment, I mean a platform like Trade-Ovate, Ninja Trader, and then you trade and then you keep 90% of the money and they keep 10%. It's a super lucrative deal, really, is what it is. So I have the best discounts, 90% off, 75% off, 80% off, half off, that you just don't see everywhere else. So if you're interested in getting funded, I'll put the link to the description. It helps me out. It helps you out. It's a win-win. I will see you guys on the charts. Thank you for watching.